Hey Jason, what are you building?
I'm building a rat trap.
A rat trap.
Yep, it is a rat killer.
And is it a spring-loaded rat trap?
Nope, it is a resort.
It's a rat resort.
Yes.
And would you like to describe your concept?
I'm making them a swimming pool. And I'm even giving them some peanut butter.
Here's the mock-up. It's the rat resort.
I got a circus trick.
Rat resort. Circus trick. Rat resort.
You're gonna have to continue this video when that thing's full of dead rats.
I'm not gonna be watching it when it's full of dead rats.